At Abilene Christian University, we have an established process for creating our online courses. This short video will take you through each step to paint a clear picture of how our online courses are designed and developed. When a new program is presented to Academic Council, it contains the degree plan, including existing courses and any new courses that must be developed. This is all approved by both the Dean and Academic Council. After the approval process, a team will be established to begin design and development of a new course in the program. This all starts with the program director, often referred to as a PD. The PD will select a subject matter expert, also referred to as an SME or SME. The SME will have extensive knowledge of the course content. The PD will then request a contract for the SME from our Assistant Director of Instructional Design, or ADID. Finally, the ADID will select an instructional designer, or ID, to partner in the course design. Once the team is established, a kickoff meeting will be scheduled. The four-member team will meet to cover program standards, the timeline to design the course, pre-work documents they will use, and our course development templates. All this talk about courses is making me hungry. As we go through the last three phases of this process, let's make a few comparisons to the restaurant industry. The fourth step in this process is when the course is actually designed. For example, before you go into a restaurant and order a meal, an executive chef and sous chef work together to design the dish for the restaurant's menu. In a similar fashion, the SME and ID design and deliver a course template with several checkpoints over the span of 8 weeks. Like any good design process, there is a phase for revisions. Similar to how the executive chef will taste the work done by the sous chef and give input, our team of 4 will come together to complete final revisions on the course. The PD, Assistant Director of Instructional Design, the SME, and ID will collaborate to revise the course over an additional 4 weeks. Once the team has the finalized course ready after 12 weeks of design and revisions, it is ready to be built in the university's learning management system called Canvas. An instructional designer will use the completed course development template to build the master course in Canvas, one piece at a time. After the course is built, there are quality assurance checks done by the program director, assistant director of instructional design, and the library. Just like a maitre d' inspects the plate of food before it is delivered to you, the courses are inspected before they are delivered to our faculty and students. This final phase is done over a span of 2 weeks, and minor edits, if any at all, are done during this time. The completed course is also sent to Academic Council for final approval. You may have noticed I said the ID will build the master course in Canvas. At ACU Online, we use a master course model. In short, that means the courses students take each session are a copy of a master course. Just like you can order the same dish several times at a restaurant and expect something similar in ingredients and quality, the master course model ensures consistency and a quality experience for our faculty and students. Thus far, we've been looking at this process for a singular course, but in reality, these team members are continuously working through this process for several courses at one time. It's also important to note that when a new program or track is approved, it will come with a course carousel. This is essentially the order and schedule of when the courses will run in the new program or track. Many factors come into play when the restaurant team decides the sequence your entire meal will be delivered to you. The appropriate time for preparing your food is one of those important factors. If food is not cooked properly, it can lead to a terrible dining experience. In a similar way, it is critical that everyone involved adheres to the timelines and deadlines set in this process. When courses run and the order they are created is fully dependent on the time it takes to design and build them. As the new course runs each session, the program director may make edits using input from faculty and students. Additionally, to keep our course content current, it is recommended that courses be redesigned every 4 years. PDs make the request for the course redesign, which is approved once again by the dean. This then starts the entire process over again. As we come to the end of this video, the main points to take away are that all new online courses are created using the 6-phase process at ACU. Timelines and deadlines of this process are critical for the experience of ACU faculty and students. We follow a master course model, in which courses that run each session are a copy of a template course in Canvas. And all courses can be redesigned every 4 years. For more information, please check out these additional resources from our academics and instructional design team.